Let's explore Express Middleware and understand the heart of Express applications. Middleware are essential components in building robust and scalable web applications using Node.js and Express. Middleware functions are functions that execute during the request-response cycle. They have access to the request object, often shortened to REQ, the response object, shortened to res, and the next middleware function in the application's request-response cycle. Let's visualize the middleware flow. First, a client sends an HTTP request to the server. This request then passes through a series of middleware functions. These functions process the request and can modify the request or response objects. Finally, the server sends back a response to the client. Here's the basic syntax for a middleware function. A middleware is defined as a constant. The middleware is a function that accepts three arguments: REQ, res, and next. REQ is the request object, residential is the response object, and next is a function to call the next middleware in the chain. Inside the middleware function, you can perform operations on the request or response. Finally, you must call the next function to pass control to the next middleware. For example, const myMiddleware is a function accepting REQ, res, next. It logs middleware executed, and then calls the next function. Let's see how to use middleware in an Express application. First, require the Express module. Create an instance of an Express application. Use app_use to register the middleware function. Define a route handler for the route path. This route handler sends hello world as the response. For example, const express equals require express. Const app equals express function call. App.use myMiddleware. App.get/, which takes request and response as parameters, and response.send hello world. There are primarily four types of middleware. Application-level middleware is bound to the app instance using app_use and app method. Router-level middleware is bound to an express.router instance. Built-in middleware is provided by Express like express.static. Third-party middleware are external packages like body parser or course. Here are some common middleware examples. Express.json is used to parse incoming JSON requests. Express.static serves static files, such as images, CSS, and JavaScript files. Course is a third-party middleware used to enable course or cross-origin resource sharing. Morgan is a third-party middleware used for logging HTTP requests. Let's recap the key points to remember about Express Middleware. Middleware executes in the order it's defined. Always call next to continue the chain. Middleware can modify the request and response objects. They are perfect for authentication, logging, and parsing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.